Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split data in different columns. Assume you copy the data from a website, from ChatGPT or something else. When you paste here, it will be pasted just in one column. However, we have three columns here: first name, last name, and date of birth. So how to convert these names into separate columns? So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways: text to column, flash fill, text split, and Power Query. Don't miss the Power Query method, it is the best one. Let's get started. The first method is text to column. First select the whole data range, then click Data tab. Here select text to column, then select the delimited. Characters such as comma or tabs separate each field. Delimiter is something which separate each fields. Now here, delimiter is comma, right, which separate fields from one another. Then click next. Select a delimiter here, which is comma. When I select the comma, now it extracted 3 fields: first name, last name, and date of birth. And click next. Here you can change column types. I'm going to change date of birth type to date, and from here you can select different format, then click finish. Now you can see the data has extracted from the actual data. The second method is flash fill. Select the whole data range, paste it here. In flash fill, when we type the first name, which is John, then the second name, now you can see the pattern has detected. No need for typing the whole data, just hit enter. Repeat the same process for last name, Smith. Again the pattern has detected, just hit enter. For the date, it's a bit different from the two previous process. Then just to flash fill this column as well, then just press Ctrl E. Now you can see the dates in actual date format. Then rename the headers. This is last name and this is first name. Guys, what is the limitation of this process, these two methods, text to column and flash fills? Whenever we make changes here, so changes not added in this part, right? Then we use other two methods, text split function and Power Query. In text split function, we use a function. First select the whole data and paste it here. So in text split function, we use this function. This method we use text split function. Select the data range, which is E2. Then what is the delimiter here? The delimiter is comma. Then there are some other arguments here, but we don't need here. Then close the parenthesis. Now you can see the first name, last name, and date has extracted. Then drag and drop till the end. And type a columns header. First name, last name, and date of birth. This is a dynamic way, guys. When I make changes here, like I type Rahim, then you can see the changes has added here as well. The last method is Power Query method, where it is the most effective one. Whenever you're working with a large amount of data or large data set, then this way is the most effective one. Okay, first select the whole data range, then convert it to a table. select this one. My table has headers and click OK. Then rename the table. I'm going to rename it as employees. Okay, then click data tab. So from here select from table or range, find this option and then click on it. Now you can see Power Query data editor has opened. Wait for a moment and then click on split columns, right? When I click on it, then click delimiters. Here you have more control on data. Now you can perform different kinds of operations. Select this one, each occurrences of delimiter. Now you can do these to split at leftmost delimiters or rightmost delimiters, but I'm going to go for this one. Then click OK. Now you can see there are 3 different columns. This is the first name, last name, and date of birth, which is in actual date format. Just rename the columns header, first name, last name, and date of birth. Okay, then click choose in load. I'm going for the second option, close and load to. Now you'll see import data. You can import it to pivot chart, pivot table report, and some more. And you can choose the destination as well. I'm going to paste it here, then click OK. Now you can see the data has extracted on 3 columns. Guys, this was all about how to split data in different columns. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.